Top 5 Best Coffee Grinders in 2026. Did you know that even premium coffee beans can taste average when they're ground poorly? I will walk you through 5 standout options that can improve your coffee experience. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let's get started. Number 5. Aromas Espresso Machine 20 Bar with Milk Frother. The Aromas Espresso Machine is a solid entry point for anyone who wants cafe-style drinks without spending a fortune. It combines a compact design with features that are usually found in more expensive models. One thing that stands out is its 20-bar pressure pump. This helps create a rich espresso shot with a smooth layer of crema on top. The machine also includes PID temperature control, which helps keep brewing temperature stable. Consistent temperature often leads to better flavor and fewer disappointing cups. The touch screen adds a modern touch and makes operation simple. Most users can learn the controls in just a few minutes. The Milk Frother is also handy for creating lattes and cappuccinos at home. The small size works well in apartments, condos, and kitchens where counter space is limited. While advanced coffee enthusiasts may want more manual control, beginners will likely appreciate its straightforward approach and ease of use. Number 4. Jevi Commercial Espresso and Coffee Maker. The Jevi Commercial Espresso and Coffee Maker offers a nice balance between value and performance. It is designed for coffee drinkers who want strong espresso without dealing with a complicated setup. Its 20-bar extraction system helps produce deep flavor and balanced shots. Combined with NTC temperature control, the machine works to maintain consistent brewing conditions. Consistency is important because it can help reduce bitterness and improve overall taste. The stainless steel body gives the machine a clean and durable look. It feels suitable for both home kitchens and small office spaces. Many households in the United States enjoy milk-based drinks, and the included frother performs well for cappuccinos, macchiatos, and lattes. The compact footprint is another advantage. It does not dominate the countertop, which is important in smaller kitchens. While it may not offer the extensive customization found in premium machines, it delivers dependable performance and strong value for the price. Number 3. Chefman Crema Supreme 15-Bar Espresso Machine. The Chefman Crema Supreme is designed for coffee lovers who want more control over their brewing process. It combines grinding and espresso preparation into one convenient system. The highlight here is the 30 grind settings. Having a wide range of grind options allows users to fine-tune flavor and extraction. Whether you enjoy espresso, Americano, or other coffee styles, this flexibility is useful. Another standout feature is the conical Burr grinder. Burr grinders are generally preferred because they create a more uniform grind size. Better consistency often leads to better tasting coffee. The machine also includes a 3-liter removable water tank. Large capacity is especially helpful for families or households with multiple coffee drinkers. Frequent refilling becomes much less of an issue. The semi-automatic design offers a good balance between convenience and involvement. You still get some control over the brewing process while avoiding unnecessary complexity. One area worth noting is maintenance. The grinder may require regular cleaning to keep everything running smoothly. Even so, for people who want a complete coffee station at home, this machine delivers a lot of capability in one package. Number 2. Frother Professional 64mm Burr Coffee Grinder. If your goal is achieving precise grind consistency, the Frother Professional Grinder deserves serious attention. This machine focuses entirely on grinding performance. The biggest advantage is the 100 grinding settings. This gives users an impressive amount of control. Whether you prepare espresso, pour over coffee, French press, or cold brew, there's a setting that can work for your needs. The 64mm flat burst system helps create uniform particle sizes. Consistent grounds are important because they help improve extraction and flavor balance. The anti-static system also helps reduce mess around the grinder. Anyone who has cleaned scattered coffee grounds from a countertop knows how valuable that can be. For coffee lovers who already own an espresso machine and simply need a capable grinder, this model is an excellent choice. Number 1. Best pick. Mackem Professional 64mm Flat Burr Coffee Grinder. The Mackem Professional Coffee Grinder earns the top spot because it delivers an outstanding combination of precision, build quality, versatility, and long-term value. The first reason it stands out is the 100 grind settings. This level of adjustment gives users incredible flexibility. You can move from espresso to French press and cold brew with confidence. For households that enjoy multiple brewing methods, that versatility is a major benefit. I also appreciate that the removable Burr assembly simplifies cleaning. Regular maintenance is important for preserving flavor quality, and easier cleaning encourages better habits. There are a few minor trade-offs. The grinder requires a reasonable amount of counter space, and some users may need time to learn all the settings. However, these are small compromises compared to what it offers overall. For home baristas, coffee enthusiasts, and anyone serious about getting the most from their beans, this grinder provides the strongest overall package in this lineup. That combination of performance, flexibility, and durability is why it earns the #1 position. Final verdict. After comparing all 5 products, the Machin Professional 64mm flat Burr coffee grinder stands out as the best overall choice. If you want one grinder that can handle nearly every brewing style while delivering reliable results, this is the model I would choose. Be sure to check the links in the description for current pricing, discounts, and additional details before making your final decision.